Join me as I take on the challenge of living luxuriously in Kuala Lumpur for a week on a budget. Kuala Lumpur, the vibrant capital of Malaysia, is fast becoming a hotspot for luxury living. With its unique blend of modern infrastructure, rich cultural heritage, and mouth-watering cuisine, it's no wonder why both locals and expats alike are drawn to the allure of living large in this bustling metropolis. One of the biggest misconceptions about luxury living in Kuala Lumpur is that it's only for the elite, with price tags that are simply out of reach for the average person. While it's true that luxury can come with a hefty price tag, the reality is that there are plenty of options available that can fit a range of budgets. Sure, you might not be able to afford a penthouse suite in the heart of the city, but that doesn't mean you can't experience the finer things in life. Another challenge people face when considering luxury living in Kuala Lumpur is the perceived lack of options. Many assume that luxury living is all about high-rise condos and sleek, modern apartments. But the truth is that there are plenty of other options available, from luxurious villas to boutique hotels and even serviced apartments. One of the biggest myths about luxury living in Kuala Lumpur is that it's all about material possessions. While it's true that luxury often comes with a certain level of comfort and convenience, it's also about the lifestyle and experiences that come with it. From private yacht parties to exclusive access to high-end events, luxury living in Kuala Lumpur is about living life to the fullest. And then there's the misconception that luxury living in Kuala Lumpur is only for the young and trendy. While it's true that Kuala Lumpur has a thriving nightlife scene, luxury living is not just about partying all night. It's about experiencing the best of what the city has to offer, whether that's a romantic dinner at a Michelin-starred restaurant or a relaxing day at the spa. From the trendy neighborhoods of Bangsar and TTDI to the luxurious enclaves of Damansara Heights and Mont Kiara, Kuala Lumpur is home to a range of neighborhoods that offer a unique blend of luxury and lifestyle. Take, for example, the Genting Highlands, a popular weekend getaway that's just an hour's drive from the city center. With its stunning views, cool climate, and range of outdoor activities, it's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Or take the neighborhood of Sri Hartamas, a leafy suburb that's just a stone's throw from the city center. With its range of luxurious villas, trendy cafes, and boutique restaurants, it's the perfect place to experience the best of luxury living in Kuala Lumpur. And then there's the iconic Petronas Twin Towers, a symbol of the city's engineering prowess and a must-visit for any luxury lover. But luxury living in Kuala Lumpur is not just about the physical surroundings. It's also about the lifestyle and amenities that come with it. From private cinemas and rooftop pools to exclusive access to high-end gyms and spas, luxury living in Kuala Lumpur is all about experiencing the best of the best. And with a range of luxury developments and condos springing up across the city, there's never been a better time to experience the high life. So how do you find these hidden gems and exclusive services that can enhance your luxury living experience in Kuala Lumpur? The truth is, it's all about who you know and what you know. From insider tips on finding the best luxury deals to exclusive access to private events and services, there are plenty of ways to experience the best of luxury living in Kuala Lumpur without breaking the bank. Take, for example, the private membership clubs that are springing up across the city. These exclusive clubs offer members access to a range of luxury services and events, from private concerts and wine tastings to exclusive access to high-end restaurants and bars. And with membership fees starting from as little as a few hundred ringgit a month, they're an affordable way to experience the high life. Or take the luxury concierge services that are available in Kuala Lumpur. These services offer a range of bespoke services, from private shopping trips to personalized travel itineraries, all designed to make your luxury living experience in Kuala Lumpur truly unforgettable. In conclusion, luxury living in Kuala Lumpur is not just about the price tag. It's about the lifestyle, the experiences, and the opportunities that come with it. From the trendy neighborhoods and luxurious amenities to the exclusive services and insider tips, there's never been a better time to experience the best of luxury living in Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on luxury living in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, be sure to check out my other videos on living in Kuala Lumpur, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content on luxury living in this amazing city.